In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty trash in Yahoo Mail. We'll walk through the process on a web browser, which is the most consistent way to do this. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. You can type Yahoo Mail into the address bar or any search engine. From the results, choose the official Yahoo Mail page. It's usually the top result and clearly labeled. Once the page loads, sign into your account. Enter your username and your password and complete any verification if prompted. If you use two-step verification, have your code ready. Make sure you're signing in on a device and network you trust, and avoid signing in on public computers when possible. After you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation pane. This is where your folders live: inbox, sent, drafts, and importantly, trash. If you don't see the full list right away, you may need to expand the folder list by clicking the small arrow or More option, depending on your layout. Find the trash folder in that list. Before you empty it, it's a good idea to quickly consider what's inside. Messages in trash are typically those you've deleted from your inbox, and emptying the folder will permanently remove them. If there's anything you might need later, you can click into trash first to review and restore specific emails. But if you're sure you want to clear everything, here's the fastest way. Move your mouse pointer over the trash folder name in the left pane. As you hover, a small trash can icon appears to the right of the folder. This icon is your shortcut to emptying the entire trash folder without opening it. If you don't see the icon right away, make sure your cursor is directly over the trash folder name and pause for a moment. Click the trash can icon. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear the folder. This step is there to prevent accidental deletion, because once you proceed, the messages can't be recovered. If you're absolutely certain, click OK in the confirmation pop-up. That's it. Your trash folder is now empty. This can help free up space and keep your mailbox tidy. As a tip, consider making this part of your regular email maintenance so you're not storing unnecessary messages. And if you ever need to double-check before clearing, take a quick look inside the trash first. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to keep your Yahoo Mail neat and organized.